Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle and today we're going to be taking a look at some more viral DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So I cannot believe that this lady transformed her floors using paint. This is absolutely insane to me. So she painted them black and then went in and did her own binary with white. This came out absolutely amazing. Beautiful transformation, such an upgrade. I definitely think she should paint those cabinets though, maybe like white, but that's just my own personal preference. So then we have someone making a table. So that was the inspiration that we just saw. Looks like they're doing side tables. So those tables were okay. I think they definitely needed to be like painted or something. Hopefully that wasn't the finished product that we ended up seeing. But here we have someone making their own patio furniture. I think that this is so cool. Definitely a unique way to style your home. And this, of course, would be much cheaper making your own versus buying it yourself. You'll save so much money. Wow, so she's making a chair for sure right here. She did an amazing job. I mean, I painted fabric and I love it. I've actually been seeing this a lot on TikTok. Like, people are just painting fabric now. It's like this new thing. So they're going with like this really pretty midnight blue shade. On this chair they probably found and decided to thrift or do a furniture flip with. Wow. You know what? She should do the perimeter, the edges gold. Oh my gosh, that would look so pretty. And you would definitely need a couple of coats for this, the middle part with the fabric. But can you imagine doing the perimeter that, oh wow, in gold? That would look amazing. Oh, I am obsessed with this idea. This looks nice though. Can you upcycle vases with clay? I'll show you how. It's really important to press on the material. Oh, she gave this a really nice age to look. That is so pretty. Textured vase DIY. Oh, I don't know if I like that design. Okay, she's still working on it. Okay. I think I liked it before when it was just clear. Not sure I'm feeling the way she did the texture there. So then we have this really grand mirror design. Like, that is just gorgeous. Oh, is she using fairy lights for this? Or he? Wow. Oh, this is such a cool design. It looks like something that you spent a lot of money on too. Like, wow, this is incredible. And I love the illumination with the fairy lights. Oh, it's gorgeous. Wow. What an amazing DIY. Oh, I love the Mickey ears. That was so cute. Then we have another mirror here. Everyone loves making their own wall mirrors now. Oh, they did a nice, simple, easy one. Not too big, not too tall. Perfect. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed all of these DIY project ideas and my reactions. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.